Welcome to the fourth edition of the International Automotive Manufacturing Summit 2022. This is Anushka Vani, correspondent at EM Magazine, and today we have with us Mr. Umesh Pai, who is a Managing Director at ePlan Software and Services. Welcome, sir. So, I wanted to ask you, what would you like to speak on for the fourth edition of the summit today?
It's a great opportunity for the industry to come together and discuss about various possibilities in terms of technology, in terms of changes, and the status in which the world manufacturing stands today. It's a great networking place, rather.
Right. All right. And so, what are your thoughts on the digitization in the automotive industry and and its future perspective?
It's a humongous opportunity, actually. There is a lot to do. We have covered a lot distance in terms of digitalization, but I believe Indian industry needs to have a clarity of thought as to where do they want to go with this, and because the possibilities are immense. So if we try to do too many things together at a time, it will be a little tricky. But if you have a perfect aim, a goal in your mind, and you support it with good budget as well as a management thought process, then it should not stop us from being successful.
So, sir, additionally, I wanted to know that the industry is experiencing a shift to mass personalization from mass production. And as manufacturing evolves, its complexities and challenges are evolving as well. So, here in this case, how does ecosystem play a powerful role in the automotive manufacturing industry as a whole?
Yeah, as you rightly said, we are moving from mass customization to mass personalization. Thank God that it is happening, because if you remove the person from the whole experience, I think it's tricky for us human beings. But coming back to your question on how does an ecosystem play a role, without an ecosystem, it just can't work. Now we are working as islands. Our goal should be to work in a synchronous manner. So I think ecosystem indeed plays the most important role in this journey.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, sir, for sharing valuable insights from us.